I gotta restock the freaking flour. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like I'm drifting. I feel different. I feel gifted. I've been hot so long. Don't need the smoke to get lifted. All right, we're at Kroger. To get some flour. All right, I'm here in the store. First off, I'll get some candy. Kroger, where the freak is your candy? A lot of people gonna tell you to go with Pillsbury because they're the best. As you can see, they wrote on their freaking, egotistical packaging. But you don't gotta do all that. As you can see, Pillsbury, $3.59.
Wait, what? Oh.
Go ahead and get you the Kroger brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give it this. Alright, what do we do?
It's just fun.
There's one. Also, there are a lot of weird people. Wait.
You got the flour, alright? Now this flour is not name brand really, just Kroger brand, but it's just what we need. Today, she talks to me like she knew me. Alright, so finally, we're back from the store with our flour. We can get to work.
I'm gonna say, what do you mean by a lot of real
So now
people?
that we got the flour in the bag, I'm literally just gonna take the chicken and put them in the bag. Okay, now what we need to do is pour oil up in a second, get the eye turned on so our oil can get nice and hot and we can fry the chicken. Let's see if this oil is hot. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright. This oil is ready to go. Okay, just throw it in. Woo! Woo! Ah! Ooh! I can feel it. I'm feeling like it's champagne. Alright, come on. Oh my gosh, it is flat. But like I said, I'm not sure how fast chicken fries. Look at the first piece we put in here. Wow, that's looking pretty good so far. Alright, you guys, so what I'm going to do now is just cut to a commercial break. I'm going to watch over the chicken for the next 2 minutes.
Hurry up and reply.
When you get back.
Let me just go ahead and look at the rest of the Discord. Okay, let me look at the top Discord.
Are you tired of this
Oh my God.
to you? See what the problem here was? He didn't have any Corey Kitchen gear on. Stop by and pick yourself up some Corey Kitchen gear so you can dance like this.
Yeah, Derek. I thought those were Among Us Discord. This is a stupid freak. I'm just scrolling down the whole Discord.
I'm going to take one piece out. Alright. You see that?
Again? Oh yeah, I forgot I hated it.
Some people are afraid to get popped when they're frying food. You know how the oil What I say to them is, if you can't take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Seems like the oil is really gone down.
What did I do? 35 USD.
So I'm hoping that means it's done. Listen to that sound. Hold up, just listen. Go ahead. So now we have the water for our macaroni coming to a slight boil. So I'm going to go ahead, pour it in like so. I want to give a shout out to Australia, okay? Samurai from Australia, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I open mail. Mail video is coming. And don't want to leave them alone for too long. Then you got shells that got burnt because they was at the back or the bottom of the jug. You know, just give it a little stir every once in a while to make sure everything's...
Wait, what's that down there?
All right, so we're going to leave 1 more minute. I went ahead and added a little bit of butter and, some salt and pepper to our corresponding sides over here. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the drainer. So, the moment we've all been waiting for, my brothers and sisters.
I'm screenshotting it. I ain't gonna screenshot it. No, I'm screenshotting it.
Macaroni and cheese and mixed vegetables.
Okay, please stop, Lego.
Alright. First up, let's see how we did with the chicken.
25 new messages. Ew.
Bean space.
That's a good guitar facts. My cats are useless too.
Look at the texture of the chicken, alright? Breaded and seasoned properly. No red in the meat. Very good, white, nice looking meat. And of course, guys, I literally filmed it, okay? Everything. Let me know down in the comments what you want me to cook next. Because obviously your boy can cook all of this. And yeah, I know it was in cans and stuff. All I did for the other things was just take it out of cans, but baby steps. But alright, you guys, that's gonna wrap up my first video.
What?
2017. Sorry that I left again. It didn't seem that long, but we got a lot of stuff planned for this year. All right, a lot of scary games, a lot of charity streams. Doing a grind to 2 million samurai.
Okay.
There's a lot going on. Trying my best not to get stressed out. I took some time to myself. Hopefully, 2020 will be great this time.
The Biscuit mod, Discord mod.
Cooking with tension. You guys, you understand how long y'all been asking for this? Like, if this video doesn't get a million
Wait, what?
views,
I heard something saying Michigan. I'm not trying to say. Let me say something, bro.
So, hopefully, you guys enjoyed
Why
it.
do I not have permission? Why is Discord so, Derek? Why is Discord so difficult? Yeah, I just did. Then I already comment. Wait, did I? Oh no, he highlighted it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it first. Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up. Hmm. By the way, I didn't make this, so yo. Oh. Oh god. Ugh. Yeah, I didn't make this. Yeah, subscribe to the dude Spooky Kid and also subscribe to Phantom Fear, yo. These are just people fan art. There we go. Okay.